Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us. Rajiv Ranjan, CEO of Intel Rides, pointed out that while schools invest significantly in on-campus security, student transport remains a neglected area with minimal oversight. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Sir had to say.
So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today, we have with us a very special guest from the EdTech sector. He is Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, CEO of Intel Rides. So, welcome to the summit, sir. How's your experience been here?
It is fantastic, good, very nice, and the audience and the people who are coming, educators, all are fantastic, well educated, and well good experience. So I'm enjoying.
That's what our motive is.
Absolutely.
So, sir, first of all, tell me about your company and what education problem is it solving?
Okay. So Intel Rights, the word if you say Intel Rights, right? So basically how every school right now without transport they cannot run the show. The transportation is definitely without. There's a good infrastructures and important infrastructure for any school. The problem is every school they think about the inside of the safety and security. Like in campus, there's a good cameras, well-educated teachers, faculty, coordinators, and the kids are so safe. And 100 cameras, security guard. But the same kids we put in a bus where there's a very less educated driver and bus attendant,
Absolutely.
and they believe that they are doing their fantastic work, but actually it not happened. In most of the case, most of the problems generally comes from the transports,
Absolutely.
the misbehavior of the students, the driver's behavior. There's so many problems which actually the school is facing, but they don't have any such solution how to solve that.
Right.
We are the company who visit to the school, do the survey, do the research, find out what are the problems in our transports, and we give the proper solution how you can solve that. These are the problems and how you can make it. That's what the Intel Rides is doing.
Okay, I think you are doing a fantastic work.
Sure.
So my next question to you would be, how does your automation transport system enhances the students' safety as well as the school's efficiency?
Absolutely. See, most of the school they talk about only about the educations and all. In AI, not only it comes for the educations further, but also AI helps to the school how to improve for the safety and security in a transports department.
Right.
In a school, you can see in a very good infrastructures, 100, 200 cameras everywhere, good teachers, good coordinator, good bus, good attendant in the campus. Even the outside the washroom, there's a two people are standing and make sure the kids' safety.
Right.
But same kids, you put in a bus
And I forget.
and you forget, and there's a driver is so less educated, bus attendant is so not educated, very less educated,
Right.
and you believe that they are doing their work. In a school campus, you have a camera, you have a technology, you have a ERP system where you can monitor. But in a bus, you don't have any technology, you don't have any monitoring system. For example, what we do, you put a two-way communication camera, which is a live streaming camera.
Okay.
And this camera application with the school principal. If the principal can anytime can go live on the bus, and they can talk to the here one while you're standing in the bus.
Okay.
Come in my campus tomorrow and let's talk. So every kid's down listening the principal voice. So how the discipline maintained in the bus. So these kind of small technology which actually reduce the headache of the school to run the transports, and without the transport they cannot run the business. So this is the one tool Like that, we have 10 tools
Okay.
which we use on the transport system.
Okay. Can we customize as per school?
Absolutely, absolutely. For a more example, like attendance system. Trust me, most of the bus attendant, they are doing attendance of the kids on a register.
Yes.
Even it is not maintained. But in our technology, they can real time, they can click the photos in and out, real time attendance, the reporting, the data is coming.
Right.
So this is how we take care of the safety.
That's great, sir. So my next question to you would be: can you share me an example of a, case study of from a school partner where your system really helped them, in student safety?
I'll put in a different way of example. One of the school, I don't want to put a name.
Okay.
The parents, see, if any incident happen in a transport, parents directly goes to the school campus and wants to meet the school principal.
Absolutely.
To why it happened, why it's happening.
Yeah.
Somehow one kid,
Right.
I think some injured in the bus, and some stitches happened. The parents was so shouting,
Right.
and he just came to the school shouting to the school trustees and the principals.
Right.
God grace, they have our system. God grace.
Absolutely.
So they just visited our site, an application.
Right.
They checked the playback, and they found out that the kids is basically running from one seat to another seat,
Okay.
and they climbing on the bus rod like a monkey dance, and he's fell down. So once what happened, the principal shown that video to the parents, then there the problem solved.
Yes.
Here exactly see what we are doing. The school has a lots of headaches, lots of problems to handle it every day.
Absolutely.
And the transport is the only one thing they don't have anything on the hand how to solve.
That's not on the campus. That's on the road.
Right, on the road, and they are dependent on the third party layman people.
Right.
They don't know how to talk. But through the technology, through the data, they can find out and they can catch where is the problem. So how this is we are solving.
That's great. And so, how many geographical locations currently you're working?
Yeah. We have started 3 years back, started with the Pune, Mumbai.
Okay.
Now we expanded like in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Noida, Delhi, Lucknow. We have started Amritsar. We are very soon we are coming in Chandigarh. So we are into the complete. Where is the school? Where is in the district? Where is the school? We want to are present over there. In coming 2 years, might be will reach 100 cities.
Wow.
That is our target.
That's great, sir. And I extend my congratulations to you.
Thank
And
you so much.
I hope this system reaches most of the schools and they get benefit out of
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.